Hello, wonderful students of Natomas Unified School District. This video will show you how you can access some of our online programs. So if your teacher has asked you to do an assignment in Go Math, Wonders, StudySync, Studies Weekly, or Pearson, you've come to the right place. The most important thing you'll want to make sure of is that you are logged into your Natomas Student Google account. So right now, I'm working in Google Chrome. If you're in Firefox or Safari, it might look a little bit different. When I'm in Google Chrome, I notice that there's a circle with a letter here and here. And if that's not the letter to my first name, it's possible that someone else is logged into the account, especially if you share a device with someone else. So I'm going to log this person out. When I click on the circle, I'll click Sign Out. And I'm going to click on this circle here and also click Sign Out. Now I can sign in with my Natomas student account. If you're not on a Google page, you'll need to do so. Make sure that you are on a Google page. You can do that by going to google.com. I'm going to click Sign In. And then I'll enter my Natomas student Google account information. It's usually your first and last initial, followed by some numbers, and then at NUSDK12.org. And I'll click Next, and then I'll enter my password. It's important not to share your password with friends. You may share it with people who might be helping you with your distance learning. After clicking Next, you will then see your letter of your first initial. That means you're signed in and you can now access some of the programs. So to access some of our programs, one way to get there is to go to our natomasunified.org website. After getting to the home page of natomasunified.org, you can then find your specific school site. So I'm going to go to the right where it says Schools and click on List of Schools. So if I go to Natomas Park Elementary, for example, I'll click on the school, and it will take me to the Natomas Park Elementary webpage. To get to the online programs, I can go to Students and Chromebook Homepage, or I can scroll down a little bit and go to Quick Links and click on Chromebook Homepage. They will both take me to the same place. It's important to know that you might not have access to all of these programs. Some of them are for certain classes or grades. But let's say that my teacher has assigned me an assignment in Go Math. I'll click on Go Math. And then it's going to ask me to sign in again with my student account. So you just click on your student account. And then you're in. You'll go to your things to do to see if your teacher has assigned you an assignment. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher. Good luck.